Has your Infinix 9 turned into a turtle? Does even the keyboard freeze? And has PUBG become a slideshow? Don't rush to take it to a repair shop. I have 5 proven tricks that can actually reduce lag and speed up your phone. Let's get started. Method number 1. It sounds silly, but it works. Just restart your phone. Yes, really. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. This clears the RAM and shuts down background processes. It's free and effective. Method number 2. Clean out the junk. Your Infinix comes with a built-in app called Phone Master. Open it, tap, clean up, and clear the cache without mercy. Just look at how many gigabytes of junk have piled up there. Method number 3. Get rid of battery-draining apps. Go to Settings, then Battery, then Auto Start Management. Turn off Auto Start for anything you don't use every hour. Games, shopping apps, delivery services. Let them sleep until you actually need them. Your battery will last longer, and your phone will lag less. Method number 4. The ultimate lag killer for gaming. Open Settings and scroll to Special Features, then Game Mode. Turn it on. This mode blocks notifications and gives more processor resources to your game. And inside the game itself, set graphics to low and frame rate to medium. Sure, the visuals won't be as fancy, but your gameplay will be much smoother. And method number 5, for the most desperate cases. If your phone is still slow after all that, go to Settings and then Storage. You should always keep at least 20% of your storage free. Otherwise, your phone simply doesn't have enough room to work properly. Delete old videos, move photos to a memory card or Google Photos, and give your phone some breathing room. Still not fixed? Then your last options are a factory reset or a visit to a Carl Care Service Center. But in 90% of cases, these tips are enough to bring an Infinix 9 back to life. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so your phone and your experience stay smooth in the future. Thanks for watching and enjoy those lag-free swipes. See you in the next video.